Hello friends. Hello friends, let us discuss some example when all goods sent to consignee and sold consignee are sold by him. So let us take some example. Mr. King and Co. consigned goods on 15th March 2006, 45 cases of glassware on cost price of rupees 41,235 and to Reddy Co. of Hyderabad for sale of commission on 5% on gross sales proceeds. The consignor paid a carriage amount to rupees 539. So goods arrived at Hyderabad on 20th March 2006 and Reddy and Co. paid the clearing charges rupees 235 and sundry charges 59, carriage and rupees 102 and godown charges 90. The goods were sold by Reddy and Co. as under 15 cases of 1000 rupees per case and 22 per cases for 1050 and remainder for rupees 10,000 and remainder for rupees 10,000. So here this is the he can sell the on 21st June to 21st June 2002. Reddy and Co. sent a draft of rupees 10,000 on Mr. and King and Co. on account. On 1st July 2016, Reddy Co. forwarded the accounting sales with the bills of exchange for the balance. Here is the problem. So you give the journal entries for preparing the necessary accounts to record the above transaction in the books of parties. Calculations are made to the nearest rupee. So let us find who is consignor and who is the consignee. So Mr. King of Delhi is consigned the goods on. So here is Mr. King is a identify this. Mr. King is a consignor. So and who to Reddy to Reddy. 2 is the key to find out the consignor and consignee. Go off is find out off is to find out who is consignor. Here it is. So clarify. This is first entry. Who is this in the books of general entries? In the books of excuse me, in the books of who is first consignor. So Mr. King and Co. of Delhi consigned the 2045 cases of glassware at cost of rupees 41,235 to Reddy and Co. Hyderabad. So he stuck in the books of consignors. That is Mr. Ski and King and Co. Next what entry in the books of consignor? When expenses for sending the goods, first entry will be clear. So when goods sent on to consignee, so consignment account. So consignment account debtor. So consignment account debtor to goods sent on consignment account. Consignment to dash Hyderabad account to okay. So being goods sent on consignment account debtor to. So amount and the how much for 41,235. So next entry will be in the books of consignor. In the books of consignor, and first of all, I am writing the general entries in books of consignor. So consignment and when expenses pay for sending goods, expenses paid for consignor. Who is consignor? Consignor paid exemptor to consignment account debtor to cash account. How much he has paid? Consignor paid the carriage amount of rupees 539 to consignment account debtor to cash account to a cash account. So how much? 539 and then 539. So here it is. So narration we write it I'm not writing for addition, so due to the video is length depends, so I'm not writing. So we write this being what happened here for generation consignor being expenses incurred by consignor. How much? 539. Okay. What is the entry will be for entry for advance given to the consignor. So bills receivable or bank account to consignor. So consignee nunchi so we got the received from consignee. So what the entry will be next on the 21st, here it is June 21st. June we have June 21st. So in this case, so what will entry? Bills receivable. So bills receivable to or bills receivable or cash or bank account that are to who is consignor, that is called Reddy and Co. To Reddy and Co. Reddy and Co. of Hyderabad. How much here? 10,000 draft bill. So we taken the 10,000 rupees to here it is. So narration, so we like it being bill, being draft received. So being draft received by consignor. So how much? 10,000. So next entry what will be? So entry for the consignee expenses. So consignee, what is some expenses? So he can on the goods received at Hyderabad. So the consignor will be paid expenses. How much? That is Reddy and Co. So consignment on March 2020. Who is this entry? What will be entry for a consignee expenses? Next fourth entry will be for a consignee expense, consignment account that are to consignee account. So entry will be consignment of Hyderabad, consignment of to Hyderabad account. So we have name, why name is mentioned here, which sometimes the consignor maintains so much of books, so he can identify it easily. So we can mention here the mention the name. So consignment of Hyderabad account that are to who is Reddy and Co. As to Reddy and Co. for expenses incurred by consignee. In that case, entry will be Hyderabad consignment account that are to consignee. So here it is mentioned which consignment, Hyderabad. So we can get into the Hyderabad account that are to Reddy and Co. So being expenses paid by consignee. So consignee account that are how much? So we add it 235 plus 90 plus 102, so 59 sundry charges, clearing charges 235, 59 per rupees sundry charges, and 102 from carriage, and 90 rupees go down charges. So total cost is 486. 486 here. So consignment to Hyderabad for expenses paid by consignee. We clear the fourth general entry. So for next entry is the entry for sale by consignee. So remember this type of method, we easily calculate the consignment account. First of all, we discuss the entry for sale of consignee in the books of consignor. So all goods sent to consignee by sold by him. In that case only we discuss this type of general entries. So fifth one, he can receive and payment and expenses paid and everything. Next, what the procedure do of consignee? So next procedure is sale. Which sale? So, so goods sold by Reddy and Co on as 15th. So on July 1st. So July 1st. So on July 1st, okay, junction here. On sale, what does entry will be on sale? Next entry will be sale here is consignee account data to consignment account. Consignee account bracket Reddy and Co. Reddy and Co. So here it is Reddy and Co. It is consignee account data to consignment account. So to consignment to goods to sent on consignment to goods sent on Hyderabad consumption to consignment account, Hyderabad consignment account. Okay, total how much we calculate the working notes here. 15 cases. How much he sell? How much? 1000 at the rate of rupees. At the rate of rupees 1003 per case. 1003 per case. Okay. Next time. Where the goods were sold in Reddy Co as 15 cases of 3 per case, 22 cases per rupees. Next 22 cases at the rate of, that is equals to 1000 rupees. Rupees 1050. Yes, per 1050 per case. Next what is the person on reminder for rupees 10,000 and remain 10,000 rupees. That entry will be how much? 22 cases. Here find out 15 into, so we add it 1003 per case, that is 15,545, 15,045. Next 22 cases at the rate of 1050, that is equals to 23,100. So next we added 10,000, so we have remainder 10,000. So added 10,000 plus 2300 plus 1505. So we got, so he total say gross sales, he find out, we get a total gross sales. Here it is the gross sales. So working notes. Okay, next entry, what will entry will, so being total goods sales, so sorry, being sales made by, entry will be being sales made by consignee. How much? Total gross sales 48,148, 48,145, 48,145. That's it. We calculate the expenses. So next what entry will entry do we after sales for consignee commission. So consignee commission in that case, so for that consignee on the expenses, for consignee expenses, date particulars, rupee sell by F, general value, the amount, and that amount. Next entry will be, what will entry for commission? What the, so here it mentioned Reddy and Co on sale of commission 55% on gross sales proceed. So we got the gross sales here is 48,000. So entry first we have a right will the entry. What entry for a consignment account to consignee account? So entry on Reddy and Co to Hyderabad consignment. Hyderabad so Hyderabad consignment account that are to which to Reddy and Co. 5% on gross sales to Reddy and Co. How much gross sales we find out? So 5% on gross sales. He get commission or 5% on get his commission. COMSSI 5% on get his 5% on gross sales get his commission. Okay. So we got the commission here. So we entry. So 48145 that is gross sales. So we get that into 5 by 100 that is equal to 2407 that is equal to 247. We calculate it. So I already calculated 48,145 into 5% that is equal to 2407. The entry, the commission account there are 2407 and 2407. Next, after commission what will entry? So generation we write it being commission be commission received by Reddy and Co on gross sales. Reddy and Co on gross sales. Reddy and Co on gross sales. 24 and how much? 2,400. So we got the calculation here, commission calculation. So hopefully normal we are taking up when all goods sent consignee are sold by him. In that case we discuss this problem. Okay. Next what will be entry after? He entry for remittance in the for consignee settlement of account. So next settlement of account is how that is entry is settlement. Accounting sales and bills together, the King and Co can settle the forward that 10,000 is draft. So he has drafted the settlement. So we close it. Settlement to bills and then bill. So already he says he is 10,000. So reminder this is 10,000. We have the reminder for 10 rupees 10,000. He already sent the draft advance. We already have given the advance. So we less that. So we less. So leave it here. If you want the correct, if you want here is the right confusion here. He is the right confusion here. So if you want to gross settlement, you need to maintain Reddy and Co account. So Hyderabad consignment account, the entry will be easily clarified. So for settlement of gross entry will be common. How much amount will be settlement? That's it. So being amount due received, in that case, for amount due to receive consignee received, bank account and bills account are to receive. So in this case we discuss, we entry will be, we need to find out this consigner, red consignee account. So in the books of, so we need to find out the entry in the books of consigner. No, it's not consigner, consignee, because we need to settle for them. So seventh entry we need to settle from. There is no reminder exactly what the amount will be settled for the consignee. Settle from the consignee to consigner. In the books of consignee, we need to write the so we same as like, so we need to find out how which amount will be figured for the right here. So in the books of consignee, so same as the entries like that, date, particulars, and so Jaipur and for expenses paid. What in the books of entries? What consignee in the books of entries? So we need to we write to books and we write to treatment of in the books of consignee. First, no entry on sending of the goods. So no entry will be affected. Next point, the entries for expenses incurred to the consignors. So remember it, if you want to entry or account maintain for settlement of the consignors consignor account and closing the consignor books, in that case we prepare the consignee account or for entries. So for first we taken the entries, after that we taken into the moving to the consignors or consignees account. So first of in the books of first entry for sending of the goods on then the goods on sent on sending the goods on investment, no entry will be affected. So next entry is entry for expense incurred by the consignee. So what expense? The entry will be consignor account debtor to cash account. What expenses he paid? 235 of clearing charges, 59 sundry charges, and 1 or 2 from carriage, and go down charges is 90 rupees. Sorry, 90 rupees. So 90 rupees. So the total amount entry will concern me 486. Or expenses paid by 486. 486 and 486. Clear it? So first entry will be clear. So first entry will be clear. For the start entry, no entry for in the books of sending the no. Second is the expenses incurred by consignee, So this is the narration. Okay, next. Advance given by the consignor to consignee account. Bills receivable account that are two. Next, advance here advance. So entry will be consignor account debtor to bills receivable. So sorry, bills payable. He can pay to the consignee. So bills payable account debtor to bank account. Bank account. How much? 10,000 here it is. He drafts the bill rupees 10,000. So 10,000 rupees and then 10,000 rupees. Hopefully clear it. Next, for advance, second entry. What next? What entry? Entry sales by the consignee. If sold on credit, so we mentioned the debtors account to consignor's account debtors. So in this case, we did not sell any credit. So we did not sell any credit. So next entry will be, sorry, consignor account is ready account. Sorry, consignor account. Sorry, King MS King account. We mentioned it. The name is mentioned here. So okay. Next entry. for sale of consignee, sales by the consignee, sale by the consignee. So entry is bank account data to bank account data to consignor's account, that is MS King account, MS King account. How much sale he has, cross sales, here the mention here 48145, that is 48145, amount 485. Next, what I want entry, being commission, he gets the commission, so commission of, so consignor's account, who is consignor, Mr. For commission he taken MS King account on co data to commission account, so narration 5%, how much he is got commission, 2000, 472407. So next, what the next entry, for this, so here there is no, here it is, there is no debited, so there is no credit sales, so we need not taken into the bad debts and commission of delicate commission. Okay, so what last entry, interest remission gets to the consignor for final settlement. So we did not clearly calculate how the consignor will be payable, so we need to calculate that an account will create, account has been an account, so we taken into the account, calculate the consignor, calculate the consignee account. First we write the consignee, rupees, date, amount, date, particulars, rupees, date, particulars, and then rupees. Okay, so we account, so we take so we taken into the Reddy and Co account, because how much we can settle the consignor. So Reddy account, this is the trick for, before first of all we trying to make the account of consignee. After that we get total goods on center and trading the settlement of books. If you want to settlement, you mention the Reddy and Co account. So account debit and then credit. So entry will be consignor account. So consignor debit, so to cash account. So Reddy account, where is the Reddy account? Consignment account data to consignee, there is no value. Here it is. By expenses paid by, so consignee paid expenses, so the entry will be consignee paid by expenses, some expenses to, so ready, here it is, by consignment to Hyderabad. So entry is a 486. Next, consignee account data, Reddy account to goods sent on consignment. So goods sent to goods sent on consignment. How much amount? 48. How much he said? 48145. Sale on, for sale, for he can sell. Next, what the entry? So Reddy to commission. So sorry, for he can given advance now. So bills receivable account data by bills bank account or bills receivable account, depends upon the situation. So next, commission on consignment of commission by taken in the higher commission, consignment commission. How much? 2407. So So how much he settlement or it is, that's it. Commission almost for gross sales. So the entry, so how much? 480,000, too much. So by bills receivable account, here bills receivable account is calculate 1000. So we calculate here 10,000 plus 2407 plus 486, that is 2,989, 12,000. So 12,893. So goods and on consignment 48145. So we settled 5 plus, so minus 48415. We got this 35252. That is the B can be 35252. So the bills receivable account to 452. So entry will be 48148,145, 48145. Undena? That's it. So we clear the ready and co. So how the entry will be, so total settlement amount due is, so bills receivable account at auto, so taken amount is the 7th, 8th entry, bills receivable account at auto, and the to ready and co for settlement of for amount due. So amount due, so 48 no, that is 35252, that is 35252. Next we clear the amount due to the 7th entry will be clear. So entry for the profit and loss account, so we need to find out this, we need to find out this, we need to prepare consignment account. So we need to do settlement. So first of all bills receivable. So if you want taken the profit and loss account, so we taken into the consignors account. Here it is consignment account. We need to, that is called goods and consignment account of, that is consignment account of Hyderabad. So consignment Hyderabad account. So same as like so we date column, amount, date, amount. So on 21st March to goods sent on consignment, goods sent on. So in the book there it is consignors account. You need to find out the profit and loss, you must prepare consignors account. So goods sent on consignment, so goods sent on consignment is 41,000. So consign Hyderabad to consignment account at to goods sent on consignment account, that is 41,235. amount of cost price, here it is 41,235. So entry will be, so entry okay. So consignment account to cash paid to 539. Next entry to consignment up to cash to consignment account. So we are preparing for Hyderabad consignment account for in the books of consignors. In the books of consignors, so we need to find out the to cash or cash account and how much, 539. Next, what is next entry? To bills receivable ready and to ready and co, 10,000 rupees received in advance, 10,000 to expenses to ready and co expenses, sorry, ready and co expenses, sorry, this is not commission, we got expenses well. So this is not consignment, so this is draft. So consignment account direct to expenses paid by consignment 486. So expenses, so sorry, this is expenses. Next consignor account I have sent on from the 48,000. So this is not our in this account. So we need to next commission of ready and co. So we need to commission of Reddy and Co. 2407. To Reddy and T and Co. The expenses, commission. So commission 2407. So clear it. So I Reddy and Co. sales. For sales I mention here. So we Reddy and Co. how much? 48,145. So sales here it is. So where it is mentioned, we calculate this. We calculate 48,000. We need to take on the profit and loss 48,445. How much? 480,145 minus 41235 minus 539 minus 486 minus 2407, that is 3478. This is the profit and loss account, that is 3478. So we find out the profit and loss account. So we need to find out the loss account. So we are not the consignment, Hyderabad consignment. We need to provide profit and loss account. So entry will be total amount 48,145. 48,145. 48,145. So hopefully clear. So we tap into the MS King account. So we tap into the Hyderabad consignors. Sorry, MS King account. Here it is. So you only goods sent on consignment account. Sorry, Hyderabad consignment account. So entry same as like cash account settlement. That's it. MS King account. To goods sent on consignment. Sorry, to goods sent on consignment account. By so as it like same entry by Hyderabad trading account. The next point is if we say we remittance to the settlement, so bills receivable account buyable. So exchange sold account data to Garage account. No, in the books of EL is no. The last entry of the, so we transfer into the goods and consignment trading and profit and loss account, that it is by goods consignment of Hyderabad. So 48,235. Sorry, 41,235. 41,235. How much is sent? 41,245. 235. Sorry, 235. And mention same as to trading account. To trading account. Where it is mentioned. So in last entry here it is. There is no bad. See, there is no bad debts. Because there is no bad debts, so no need to entry. No need to entry for this. To closing the entries for goods and on consignment account data to trading account. To goods and on consignment, to goods sent on consignment, that is Hyderabad, goods sent on to Hyderabad account data to goods sent on Hyderabad account data to trading and purchase account, to trading and purchase account, trading and purchase account, trading and purchase account. So same as like in the sales account, that is no need to write for this. So hopefully clear this problem. First we clear when all goods are sent by normal, when goods all sent to consignee or sold by him, in that case we need to proceed like this. We need to proceed like this. So hopefully understand this problem. So if you like it, please like it. Please subscribe and like it for more updates. Thanks for watching.